customer brought in his Land Rover Defender 6x6. This is not any Land Rover Defender. It's on Rockwell axles. 5.9 Cummins under the hood. He said he didn't want the shocks on it, the coilovers he had. So we're removing his coilovers over here and putting on the ORI STX struts in their place. He was referred to us by, I think, Fab Rats. He's watching their YouTube channel and decided that if the struts are good enough for the Fab Rats and for Matt's off-road, that they're good enough for him. So thank you, Fab Rats and Matt's Off-Road. Kirk's fabbing up some new lower mounts to bring the lower mounts up higher for the ORIs. The plasma cutter doesn't always get a perfect circle for the 1/2-inch bolts. So Kirk's drilling out the holes. Make them a little smaller on the plasma cut and then drill them out to be exact with a hand drill. People say this is bad for the iPhone camera, but gotta do it for the gram. Very nice.
Towards the back of it. Okay, cool.
This is a hammer. Not a good one though.
It's not lined up.
We're going to find out how much pressure in the struts it takes to lift a 6x6 Land Rover Defender.
With a 5.9 Cummins on a 250 F-250 truck frame.
Yeah, it's not a Defender, it's a truck thing. Okay, tell me what pressure it starts to lift at.
300 right now.
300?
400.
See when it starts.
20, 30, 40.
It's lifting
50.
Yep.
Goes up at 450.
450 psi to get that to start moving.
460.